Hi, my name is Leslie Reichert and I'm the cleaning coach. Today I'm going to show you how to take a spot off of your pan with a dryer sheet and some other fun things too. If you like these tips, you can go to my website greencleaningcoach.com for more. Alright, so I've heard that you can use a dryer sheet to get a spot that's baked on your pot off with a dryer sheet. I didn't really believe it because I don't use dryer sheets, so I had to go into the grocery store and go down the aisle and get this. I'm not a real fan of the smell either, but what you're supposed to do is you take a dryer sheet, lay it in the bottom of the pan, and then what you're going to do is put about an inch or so of hot water on top of it, and you're going to leave it overnight. Now I did this and it actually did work. I'm not a fan of the smell, but the solution was wonderful. There are some other things you can try instead. You can use Coca-Cola. It's amazing. You just pour about a half an inch of Coca-Cola in the bottom of the pan and let it sit overnight, and whatever's burnt on is going to come right off. It's amazing. You can also use this in your toilet to clean your toilet. So don't drink it, just use it to clean with. All right, so there's the Coke inside there. And the third thing you can try is actually balling up aluminum foil. And this will become sort of a scrub, and you can use this on the pan to get some stains off. It does work as well. So there's 3 little tips you can use for cleaning your pans: a dryer sheet, a bottle of Coke, and some aluminum foil. If you like that tip, go to greencleaningcoach.com for more. Happy cleaning.